We spend more time sitting today than at any other point in history, at work, in class, gaming, or scrolling on our phones. And over time, the hours we spend slouching and hunching start to reshape our posture, leading to stiff necks, rounded shoulders, back pain, and even reduced mobility. Before we dive in, if you enjoy simple, science-backed fitness and health content, make sure to like this video and subscribe. We post new videos every Wednesday, so you always have fresh content to help you move better and stay healthier. Now, let's break down exactly what sitting all day is doing to your body and the best ways to fix it. Let's start with the 3 most common posture issues created by long hours of sitting. 1. Rounded shoulders. When the upper back rounds forward and the chest tightens, your shoulders start to roll inward. This is extremely common in people who work at a computer or look down at their phone often. 2. Forward head posture, or text neck. This is when your head shifts forward in front of your shoulders, placing stress on your neck and upper back. This posture is linked to headaches, tightness, and tension. 3. Anterior pelvic tilt. If your lower back has an exaggerated arch, your pelvis may be tipping forward. This usually happens when tight hip flexors pair with weak glutes and core muscles, a common result of too much sitting. The main reasons sitting destroys posture come down to muscle imbalances, adaptation, and gravity. When you sit for long periods, certain muscles become short and tight, while others become weak and overstretched, forming what physical therapists call upper and lower cross syndromes. When your hip flexors stay shortened for hours every day, they literally start adapting to that length. Meanwhile, your glutes, which barely activate while sitting, grow weaker. Even if you start the day sitting upright, your muscles eventually fatigue, and gravity pulls you into a slump. These problems are mechanical, which means they are fixable. You simply need to strengthen what's weak and stretch what's tight. Let's start rebuilding your posture from the ground up with these targeted strengthening exercises. 1. Chin tucks. Deep neck strengthening. Sit tall. Gently pull your chin straight back. Hold 5 seconds, repeat 10 times. This helps reposition your head over your shoulders. 2. Shoulder blade. Squeezes. Upper back activation. Pull shoulder blades together and slightly down. Hold 5 seconds, repeat 10-15 times. This wakes up the muscles that keep your shoulders back. 3. Wall angels. Mobility and strength. Stand against a wall. Slide. Arms up and down in a snow angel motion. Do 10 reps. Great for opening tight chest muscles. 4. Prone cobra. Back body strength. Lay face down. Lift chest and shoulders slightly. Squeeze shoulder blades. Hold 5-10 seconds. This targets the underused muscles along your spine. 5. Glute bridges. Fix pelvic alignment. Lift hips while squeezing glutes. Hold 1-2 seconds. Perform 10-15 reps. Perfect for reversing anterior pelvic tilt. 6. Plank. Core. Stabilization. Maintain a straight line from head to heels. Hold 20-30 seconds strong core. Better posture. Do these exercises 3 to 4 times a week or daily, and you'll quickly feel a difference in your strength and endurance. Now, let's loosen the muscles that tighten from prolonged sitting. 1. Chest opening stretch. Hold 30 seconds to release tight pecs. 2. Neck side stretch. Hold 20-30 seconds each side for relief from text neck. 3. Thoracic extension stretch. Repeat 5-10 times to counter rounded upper back posture. 4. Hip flexor lunge stretch. Hold 30 seconds each side to reduce lower back arching. Stretching these muscles regularly helps reduce pain, improve flexibility, and restore natural alignment. Great posture isn't just about exercising, it's about forming better daily habits. 1. Move every 20-30 minutes. Even brief movement breaks reset your posture. 2. Improve your workspace ergonomics, feet flat, monitor at eye level, chair supporting your spine. 3. Perform small posture check-ins, reset your shoulders, tuck your chin, sit tall. 4. Stay active. Yoga, Pilates, walking, anything that keeps you moving supports better posture. 5. Listen to your body. Stiffness is a cue to stand up, stretch, or adjust. 6. Seek professional help if needed. A physical therapist can give personalized guidance. Correcting posture is a long-term process, but the benefits are worth it. Less pain, better mobility, and more confidence throughout your day. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our Wednesday videos. Share this with someone who sits all day and let us know in the comments which exercise or stretch you're trying first. Now take a moment, roll your shoulders back, lift your chin, and take a deep breath. Your posture will thank you. See you in next Wednesday's video.